Hi, it's Jan from Sensorykraft, here to give you a sneak peek at our wireless colour changing cube remote. The cube remote is a great sensory tool where the intended user is more sensory seeking and would enjoy engaging with sensory equipment more interactively. Sensory products such as LED light tubes and interactive wall panels can be made even more fun and accessible with the addition of an interactive controller such as this one. The user can have lots of fun by turning, rolling or throwing the cube to change the colour modes on the interactive sensory products. With 6 different coloured sides, the side facing upwards will be the selected colour. The cube remote can be enjoyed individually, in pairs or in groups. This is a great sensory tool for helping develop life skills including colour recognition, cause and effect, switching, turn taking and positive play. The padded design provides a safe, robust and easy to clean remote. Visit sensorykraft.co.uk to learn about the wireless colour changing cube and its sensory benefits. See you soon.